Are you looking for the best DIY 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best DIY 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Triny XY 3SE 3D Printer. The Trony XY 3SE 3D printer is a versatile and innovative device that goes beyond traditional 3D printing capabilities. With its laser engraving feature and the option for single or dual extrusion, this printer stands out as a multi-functional tool for various creative projects. The inclusion of upgraded features and the DIY aspect of the kit add a layer of customization for users, allowing them to tailor the machine to their specific needs. Whether you're a hobbyist, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional looking for a flexible 3D printing solution, the Triny XY 3SE offers a one-machine for multiple purposes approach, making it a noteworthy option in the world of 3D printing technology. Number 2. KingRun KP5 L Pro 3D Printer. The KingRun KP5 L Pro 3D printer is an exciting addition to the realm of 3D printing, boasting an upgrade that enhances its capabilities. This DIY 3D printer kit empowers enthusiasts and makers to assemble their own cutting-edge printing machine. One notable feature is the Titan Direct Extruder, which plays a crucial role in ensuring precise filament control for high-quality prints. With a printing size of 300x300x330mm, the KP5 L Pro offers a spacious canvas for bringing your creative designs to life. Whether you're a hobbyist, a prototyper, or someone diving into the world of 3D printing, this printer seems poised to deliver a satisfying and efficient printing experience. Number 3. Geeetech A20M 3D Printer. Certainly, the Geeetech A20M 3D printer is a cutting-edge device designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its dual extruder setup, it enables multi-color and multi-material 3D printing, opening up a world of possibilities for creative projects. The Pruser i3 quick assembly and integrated building base make it user-friendly and efficient, allowing users to start their 3D printing journey with ease. The DIY aspect of the printer, coupled with the option to upgrade, provides a customizable experience for those looking to enhance and modify their printing capabilities. Whether you're a hobbyist or a maker, the Geeetech A20M offers a versatile and streamlined solution for bringing your 3D printing ideas to life. Number 4. Voxelab AQUER C2 3D Printer. The Voxelab AQUER C2 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly DIY printing kit designed for enthusiasts and creators. Equipped with a silent mainboard, this printer ensures a smooth and quiet printing experience. Its open-source nature allows for customization and flexibility in tinkering with settings. The 220-220-250mm carborundum building bed provides a reliable surface for printing, and the resume printing feature adds convenience by allowing you to continue printing after interruptions. Whether you're a seasoned maker or a beginner in the world of 3D printing, the Voxelab AQUER C2 offers an accessible and innovative platform for bringing your ideas to life. Number 5. KingRun KP5 Pro 3D Printer. Looks like we're diving into the world of machinery and technology. Let me give you a brief overview of the KingRun KP5 Pro 3D Printer. The KingRun KP5 Pro is a 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and DIYers. With a printing volume of 200x200x200mm, it provides a decent workspace for your creative projects. The ability to resume printing ensures that your hard work won't go to waste in case of an interruption. Featuring high precision and a user-friendly touch screen interface, this DIY FDM, fused deposition modeling, printer is tailored for those who want to bring their 3D printing ideas to life with ease. The upgrade from the previous model, the KP3S, suggests improvements and enhancements, making it a more refined choice for your 3D printing endeavors.